Hello, Chef here with yet another review for you. This is a very large organic heirloom tomato, and this tomato was planted in February, and now it's already late October. So yeah, these things grow kind of slow sometimes, but they're worth it. These are just two slightly different varieties. This one being smaller and maybe more sunshine, it ripened faster. This one being larger and it's that special heirloom variety. It could ripen some more, but that's okay. I'm going to use it today. So I just wanted to show you the inside of these, and these are actually going in a chili. You could use them in a tomato sauce. Some people like to fry the green tomatoes. You can do a lot of different things. First, I'm going to just cut the top off of this very quickly and show you what this thing looks like on the inside. So let's just cut it right down the middle here. Yeah. Wow. That is a beautiful tomato right there. Really, really nice. You can see how few seeds there are, how much big, heavy flesh is in that tomato. The color's pretty cool. I like it. I want to compare, get this one off to the side here. Let's take a look at this little red one, which is going to be super sweet, I believe. This one won't be very sweet, but it's still going to be real good in a chili. So let's see what the middle of this one looks like here. Wow. Beautiful. Again, a really cool pattern. More seeds. Slightly different variety. Both heirlooms. Hard to get these babies. Okay, I'm just going to give this a dice. Show you how nice this tomato is on the inside. I'm going to use this baby in chili here. Very, very thin cut. Okay. Got to tell you, this knife glides through like cutting soft butter. It's so nice. This is the Turbo Chroma FA Porsche. The little blue dot there means it's the Turbo. And I don't think you're going to get a knife this sharp, because this is the sharpest knife made in Germany right now. So you can see what I just did right there. Minimal effort, perfect medium dice. Look at that. Oh yeah. Got here some hot chili. I'm adding a slice of fresh mozzarella, a layer of these heirloom tomatoes, a little more chili, another slice of fresh mozzarella, a couple more of these tomatoes, like this, little garnish. 2 tomato wedges going in right there. And a touch of chiffonade of basil. One more thing, I like my chili on the spicy side. A little bit of Hatch chili powder. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Watch the other videos and you can see some of these elements that have all come together right here. Yeah, oh, that's going to be really, really good. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Get the cool stuff. Yeah, this knife is cutting edge. And wow, it could help you improve your cooking. It's just so sharp and so easy to use. Have a beautiful day. Yeah, we gotta have that.